Hi everyone, welcome to the all summer long collaboration. This is our final month in this year-long collaboration that started last year in October. It went from October to October, and I did miss September, and I was going to try and go back and do it, but I just wasn't feeling, I think it was umbrella and teal green. I didn't have any paper that really went with it. I just wasn't feeling it. And you know, I've been in this funk, so I'm trying to get out of it. So I'm forcing myself to do at least a card for each of these collabs and things. So anyway, this month it was sea green and sailboats. So I have sea green, but not with sailboats in papers. Or I have sailboats, but they're obviously not in sea green. And I originally thought I'd use Stampin' Up! Soft Sea Foam, but I didn't have any things to go, papers and stuff to go with it. So anyway, I have this paper. It wasn't open yet, and it's called Sea Glass. So it's more of a teal, which would have been ideal for last month, but I had the paper that looks like this, and so that looked like sea waves to me, sea green, so I decided to use that. And then I also used cut apart sentiment, which I had to cut it in 2 pieces, so you'll see that in a minute. And I also used the back of this paper as a base on behind this, and also behind the sentiment strips. And that's it for that paper. So I cut up, well, I cut apart 3 sheets, and I pretty much used 2. Then I did bring in Stampin' Up! Sailing Home. I only used this sailboat and these birds, excuse me, and this die. And I made a very simple card. I used this color most closely resembles Stampin' Up's Just Jade, so that's what I used as a card base. So here's the card, very, very simple, and it says, which is kind of hard to see, which is why I backed it on this wood grain, which I thought sort of looked like boardwalk. So it says, life's a wave, ... go and catch it. And so I have the sailboat trying to go catch the wave. And then the birds in the sky. This is stamped in Early Espresso, so are these, and then the boat is colored in light and dark crumb cake. And then these little clear dots are from the Silver and Clear Epoxy Essentials. They're in the current annual catalog, page 142. And I just used the round ones to make it look like water droplets. Not the most extensive or creative card, but that's it. And then inside I just have another strip of this paper here. So you could make it be either way. I don't know, that could be like darkness and the foam on the waves here, but I liked it better this way with the deep sea and then the cloudy look up in the sky. So that is my project for the finale. It's not that much, but it's something. For the all summer long collab, I'd like to thank Left-Handed Crafter, who is Brandy, for hosting this. I don't know if she's going to do it again next year, but I probably will not participate. I'm cutting back, not because I didn't like this collab, I did, but I'm cutting back on my collabs for next year. So we'll see what happens, but yeah, watch my last video from Fab 4. I talk about that a little bit more and ask for your input there, so be sure to watch that also. There is a list of other participants. They'll be linked down below in the description box, so make sure that you show them some crafty love. I hope you're having a great week. It's Wednesday, the 20th of October, and hugs, love, and peace to everyone. Stay safe. Bye for now.